Discount Electronics has been selling and refurbishing computers in Austin, Texas since 1997. We're the largest retailer of used computers in the United States. We have thousands of laptops, desktops, and monitors in stock every day. Discount Electronics doesn't sell on marketplaces like Amazon because those outlets increase costs and raise consumer prices. DiscountElectronics.com only sells direct to consumers or businesses. This saves you money. All of our laptops and desktops come with a 1-year warranty. All of our customer support is done right here in Austin, Texas. You never need to call an 800 number, push buttons, or wait to speak to someone you can't understand. Read our reviews. We stand behind what we say. So whether you're buying online or coming into one of our retail stores in Austin or Round Rock, you'll always get the same excellent service and the lowest prices. I guarantee it.